So I start off by brushing my brows with the spoolie side of my brush, and this is the Anastasia, I think it's the number 12 brush. I don't remember because the letters came off. But yeah, this is my favorite brush. And I've been using my Anastasia dip brow in the shade Granite. So I just dip my brush into that, and then I start, not at the beginning, but right here. I don't even know what to call it. I'm fucking tired, so basically I'm asleep right now. And yeah, I already could tell that I did this shit too thick, but it's okay because I'm gonna go in with some concealer to clean it up. So then when I do the bottom, I move on to the top and I line the top as well. And then I just fill it in. And then once that's filled out, I just lightly brush the harsh line right here. And if I brush it out too much, I could always, of course, go back in with some more product. But yeah, the point is that I don't bring the product to the front of the brow because I already have really dark eyebrows. Now that I have my brows filled in, I'm going to clean up with some concealer. And when the bottom is nice and clean, we move on to the top. As always, I'm going to start off by prepping my eyes with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer, and I'm pressing this in with my finger. Then I'm going to use my MAC Single Shadow in Nylon to highlight my brow bone. And I think I'm finally going to use my Flamingo palette by Violet Voss. I'm going to take the shade Lemonade with my Morphe M511, and I'm going to apply that to the crease and then blend it up. Then I'm going to take the shade Popsicle with my Morphe E17, and again we're applying that and blending it up. Now with the same brush, I'm taking the shade Sandals. I'm keeping this a lot closer to the crease and I'm not going to bring it all the way in. Now I'm taking Beach Ball with my Morphe R41 and I'm pressing this onto the outer lid. Not sure why, but this shade doesn't want to stick on my lid too well. Like at all. I'm upset. Since that teal shade isn't sticking, I think I'm going to cut the entire lid as opposed to only half the lid. And I'm using my Maybelline Master Concealer with my Morphe M170 brush. I'm going to take the shade Pineapple with my NYX Dual Silicone Applicator. Now I'm placing this on the front of the eye. Now I have Beach Ball again on my Morphe R41 brush. And yeah, this is working a lot better, so. And I'm trying to blur out the harsh line a little bit, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I'm just taking a little bit more of the Pineapple to blend the colors into each other. Now I'm gonna be taking the shade Coral, and I'm using that to smoke out the lower lash line. Now I'm taking the shade Watermelon and I'm adding that to the lower outer lash line. And now I'm picking up Seashell and I'm pressing this into the inner lower lash. And now I'm taking a little bit more of that MAC Nylon shade. Okay, so today I want a pretty bold wing. Hopefully I don't overdo it. So nobody talk to me because this shit makes me nervous. Now here I have a tiny bit of concealer on my e.l.f. concealer brush and I'm going to clean up the wing. I'm going to add just a touch of the heavy metal glitter in the shade Grime. I don't want it to look glittery, I just want to intensify that pink shade. Okay, so now I have to move on to my face, but I'm going to fucking hurry, so I'm not even going to show you guys the products. I'll just put the names on the screen for you guys. So yeah, I'm using my what is it? My Cover FX mattifying primer, and I'm adding that to my entire face. Now I'm dotting on a tiny bit of the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and this is in the shade Golden Beige. Now I'm adding the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. And the reason I added the Wet n Wild one is because I feel like this one's too white and it makes me look way too pasty. So yeah, I mixed these two foundations. Then I just blend them on my face with my silicone sponge. And make sure to get these little corners of your nose. And I'm using my Morphe makeup sponge to press everything in. So I've been using this foundation for a few weeks now and I still don't know how I feel about it. Like sometimes I fucking love it and sometimes I really hate it. So I'm thinking of giving the Kat Von D one and the Fenty Beauty foundation a try. What do you guys think? Do you guys use either of those? Let me know. I'm pressing just a tiny bit of the Maybelline Master Concealer in Light under my eyes. And to the rest of my under eyes, I'm adding the Kat Von D concealer in the shade Neutral. So yeah, now I'm gonna bake, and I'm gonna try to not add too much powder right under the eyes, because I noticed that it makes me look so fucking old. So yeah, we don't want that. So what I do to avoid that is I press the sponge on my cheek first and then I bring up the powder. I've been doing this technique for the past couple of days and it's way fucking better. And I'm adding a bit of powder on my nose because I do tend to get oily on my T-zone. Now I'm setting the rest of my face with the same powder, which is the Kat Von D Lock It Translucent Powder. And I'm using my Morphe Wi-Fi brush. When I'm setting my forehead, I try to only pick up a tiny bit of powder because the excess powder falls onto my eyebrows, and then when I dust it off, it makes them look dull or something. So I don't like that. So I try my best to only bring in a little bit of powder at a time. I'm bronzing the perimeter of my face with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer and my Morphe MB34 brush. This shit's too zoomed in, huh? My bad. Now for my Kat Von D Shade Light palette, I'm taking the shade Subconscious and I'm just adding a tiny bit of that right over where I applied the bronzer. Oh shit, I forgot to dust the powder off. So yeah, normally I dust off the powder before I try to contour my nose. Duh. And now I'm adding a tiny bit of blush, and this is the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. Now I'm just spraying the shit out of my face with my Mario Badescu Rose Water. So today I'm going to mix my Kat Von D Rose Shock Highlighter and my Anastasia Amrezy Highlighter. And first I applied the Rose Shock. And then on my nose and my Cupid's bow, I only used the Amrezy. So now I'm going to straighten my hair, and I start off by brushing it out, of course. And I know you guys aren't stupid. I know everybody knows how to straighten hair, but this is a get ready with me, alright? Alright, so now I'm going to part my hair. And I fucking hate seeing people straighten their hair without parting it. Like, it makes me cringe so fucking bad. For real, like, ugh, I can't stand it. And I'm gonna, fuck, this shit doesn't even have any more. Fuck. So yeah, that's the Garnier Fructis Flat Iron Perfector Straightening Mist. My stupid ass was at the store the other day buying shampoo, and I was in that hair product aisle, and I was staring at everything, and I was like, I feel like I need something. I feel like I need something. And I still couldn't remember, even though it was right in front of my fucking face. So yeah. Story of my life though, así me la paso. Anyways, I know you guys can't see it, so what's the fucking point of this? Like, I don't know what to do. So it feels fucking weird because I'm straightening it sitting down. I never do my hair sitting down. I got this straightener at Marshall's, and honestly it works really good. It was like 30 bucks. And this is my second one of this same one. The first one, like, you know when the cord, like the little wires inside of the cord fuck up? Yeah, that's what happened to the other one. So I just bought it again because I actually really liked it. And before that one, I had this Paul Mitchell one that I paid like, I don't know if it was like 200, 300 bucks. I know it was more than $200 for sure. And I didn't even have it for that long. One time I had done my hair on my bed and I left the straightener right there on my bed, and when I came home, I was so fucking tired that I'm like, whatever, I'm just gonna leave it right here on the floor next to my bed. Just my fucking luck, that night in the middle of the night, I got sick. Like, I don't know, something made me sick, so I got up in chinga to run to the restroom to throw up, and I fucking stepped on it and it broke in half. I'm still mad about it. But yeah, so after that I was just like, you know what? Oh no, and then I spent $100 on a different one and it fucked up right away. So I was like, I'm fucking done with expensive straighteners. I mean, as long as they're not super fucking up my hair and they get the job done, I'm down. At least for right now. But yeah, so this one, I got it for like 30 bucks, I want to say, at Marshall's. And it straightens my hair really good. And also sometimes I curl it with my straightener and it comes out bomb too, so I fuck with it. And like I said, no sean mamonas, please part your hair when you fucking do it, okay? Fuck, I should have used a different backdrop today, huh? I didn't even think about it. You guys can't even see my hair. It blends in too much. So when I'm done with the sections, I just tie my hair back because I hate like when it gets mixed with the unstrained hair. Yeah. Dude, I can't even fucking see my hair. And another thing is when I strain my hair, I try to stay away from the hair closer to my scalp so that it could leave a little bit of volume. Like, I don't want it to be too fucking flat, you know? Damn, should I part it down the middle today? I literally haven't done that in so long. Or should I just stick with my side part? I don't even know who the fuck I'm asking right now. I'm acting like this is live. I guess I'm just talking to myself, huh? As always. Alright, and so once I'm done straightening it, I go to the little baby hairs because I have a shitload of them. And I carefully, damn, I'm fucking scared right now. And I carefully strain those. Okay, I think I have to get dressed first to see how I want to part my hair. I think I'm gonna stick with this side part. Okay, so now I'm curling my lashes with my MAC eyelash curler. And I'm tie-lining my eyes with my NYX pencil in jet black. And on my waterline, I'm adding the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in the shade Champagne. And don't forget to add some mascara to the lower lashes. While the lash glue gets tacky, I'm gonna line my lips with my MAC lip pencil in the shade SOAR. And these are the EYELURE lashes in the style Marquise. You want to get them as close as you can to your lash line and then pinch them together, your real lashes with the falsies. And make sure to hold the corners of the lashes a little longer because those tend to be a little trickier to stick on. I'm adding a tiny bit of lip gloss, and this one I got from Forever 21 like a while ago. It's bomb as fuck though. It's called... It's called Crystal Rose. I don't know, but it's bomb. Alright, so I'm finally ready and I gotta get going because everybody's waiting on me. But yeah, so I'm just, fuck, I don't even know what I'm saying. I wish I had more time so I could show you guys like a full on like outfit of the day too, you know? I'm wearing this low V checkered shirt, white and yellow, and then I'm using a dark denim distressed jacket, and this one's actually kind of cropped, so it fits really nice. I'm wearing black Levi's. Oh, and then the shirt and the jacket I got from Forever 21. The Levi's, they're black Levi's from the Levi's store. And I'm gonna pair the outfit with these booties, and I got these at Macy's. Yeah, they're Steve Madden. And I'm just gonna throw on a belt, and that's it. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys next time.